I'm on my way to work. It's Thursday, one more to go. It's gonna be Friday. In this video, or today, I am going to talk about real ID. We got our real ID pre-verified. What's the reason why we have to get a real ID? Because real ID is very useful, or you need real ID when you fly domestic or international flights, and you also need it when you go to federal buildings. When you go in there, they will ask your real ID. It's not effective yet, but you can pre-verify. Just go to your nearest DMV. So we went to our DMV and we got our real ID pre-verified. What do you need? You need to have a valid ID that states your name there, your complete name. And then there's a checklist there of what are the requirements to get a real ID. I will show it to you. So when we get our real ID pre-verified, we had our passport, my green card, since I am not a citizen yet. I am a resident, so I had to bring my green card, and then passport for my husband, or his birth certificate, and then we also had to bring our social security card. Not just a number, but you have to bring your social security card. And then next is a bank statement or a letter that says you are still currently living in the place or in the address you are using. And then after that, they will give you the paper that says March 2019 you can get your real ID. If you're a citizen, you can go online, pay online, and they will send it to you in the mail. But in my case, I am a permanent resident. I use green card, so I have to go to the PIN.dot office to get my real ID. There is no online for non-US citizen. You have to go personally to PIN.dot to get your real ID, and it will be March of 2019. So next year, March 2019, I will get my real ID. For now, I have the driver's license and the ID. I renewed my driver's license since I got my 10-year green card, and it is good for 3 years. So I paid $30 for my ID and $30.50 and $30.50 for the driver's license. That's all for today. I'm here at work. I will be going in. See you later. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, and subscribe. Bye bye.